Welcome to building a complete, interactive virtual instrument, additional functionality. In this lesson you will learn how to enrich the virtual instrument you created in Lesson 3 with additional functionality towards increased usability and realism. That functionality shall consist of actual stirring, a heating visual effect, and mechanical audio appropriate for the instrument's operating speed. To begin, create an empty game object under Variables, name it Plate Pose. Add a numeric to vector3 variable to it. Create an empty game object under Behaviors, name it Plate Move. Add a position mutator component to it. Set the position mutator component's input field to the plate pose variable. Set the position mutator component's precondition field to the isShaking variable. Locate the ceramic_plate_low game object under VLab_shaker plate ceramic_plate_pivot. Set the position mutator component's target field to the ceramic_plate_low game object. Make sure local is checked. Make sure relative is unchecked. Next, create empty plate POSX random and plate POSH random game objects under Variables. Add a random float variable to each one. Configure both of them as shown. Set the X variable and Z variable fields of the plate pose GameObject's numeric to vector3 variable component to the plate POSX random and plate POSH random variables, respectively. Create an empty game object under Variables, name it Plate Shake period. Add a math expression variable component to it. Configure it as shown, especially minding the formula. This will map the value range 0 to 100, which comes from the shaking speed variable, to 0.1 to 0.01, which is an appropriate range for the period of the periodic trigger that you will create next to control the plate shaking effect. Create an empty game object under Behaviors, name it Plate Shake. Add a periodic trigger component and a component mutator component to it. Configure them as shown. Enter play mode to check out how the plate now actually shakes and how the shaking speed can be adjusted with the shaking control knob.